Welcome back to the GOTRAX YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the G4 electric scooter. It's one of our best-selling scooters and a lot of people love talking about it, a lot of people love riding it. We have a lot of comments about this scooter. If you guys have been enjoying the content on our YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, and make sure to leave a comment down below and like the video as well. The most important thing other than the charger is you're going to get a baggie full of 4 screws. These 4 screws are going to lock down the actual clip that will connect the console to the tiller of the scooter. So once you have this thing unboxed, this is what it's going to look like. This is a G4. It's a really awesome scooter. It's probably my favorite scooter right now on our site. I'm going to go through a couple of the specs, kind of a little bit of an overview of the product right here, and we're going to have nice little graphics pop up to kind of show you guys. So this scooter right here has a 25 miles per charge in the battery. That is because we have the lithium battery down in here inside the deck. It's going to give you like a nice good weight balance as well. Max speed on this thing is 20 miles per hour. So this thing is quick, it's fun, it's fast. It's perfect, like I said, for commuting, doing errands like that. It's great for having that ability to not have to worry about driving, not worrying about parking, all that stuff if you're living in a big city, or if you just want to use it, you know, to go to the grocery store, go to the gym. That gives you the ability not to worry about using your car. It's a 350 watt motor, so it's a really big motor, holds a really good charge. That's what gives it that nice little speed that it has. This right here, we have our 10-inch air-filled tires. They're really cool. Actually, one of the cooler features, I think, on the G4. I don't think a lot of people talk about it, but it has really nice grooves on it. I mean, obviously this isn't a off-roading scooter, but it has really good tread and it has really good grip. So, I mean, like I said, you know, you can take this thing over some bumps, you can take this thing over a little bit of gravel. I mean, I wouldn't suggest it, but it does have that ability for it right there. The G4 itself is the definition of commuter scooter. With the 25 miles per hour from the lightweight 36 pounds, I mean, it's really built for the commuter. So if you're looking to maybe switch it up and you're living in the downtown area and you don't want to use, you know, your car, you don't want to pay for parking, you don't want to pay for gas. I mean, this thing really is the definition of the perfect eco-friendly ride, you know, saves you some money, and you're not going to be spending all that money on something like gas or something like that. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've been enjoying the content as you've been seeing lately on the YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell because we have been posting more frequently. We are trying to post as many videos as we can, whether that be unboxings, product videos, things like that. The goal is so that you guys can see the content. We'd love to hear back from the community. So that's it. That is a G4 electric scooter. Hope you guys are all enjoying the rest of your day, evening, whatever time it is. And yeah, we will see you soon with another video.